Right now, our Business Sentiment API is showing a remarkable spike. Sentiment at plus 0.75 and momentum at plus 0.52. This is not just a bump, it's significantly above the historical baseline, indicating a strong positive shift in sentiment compared to recent trends. You want to dig into this, because it could reveal emerging opportunities or risks that others might miss. When you call our API, you receive a detailed payload that includes sentiment scores, trends, and semantic clusters, equipping you with actionable insights. Imagine integrating this data into your decision-making dashboard. You could instantly visualize how sentiment fluctuations correlate with your KPIs, allowing you to pivot strategy based on real-time business sentiment. Ready to leverage this data? Check out pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs to get started.